Okay, here we have this device, which we're going to recover very easily and simply. In this video tutorial, we won't be using a PC. We'll use a completely PC-free method to recover our device since it has a screen lock and a forgotten Gmail account. As you can see here, our device was completely locked. It had a screen lock. What we did was reset it. We formatted our device, and now it has this little padlock on the upper left side. If your device is also like this, with that lock and the padlock on the upper left, well, I recommend you watch the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and can solve the recovery of your device. As we can see here, what we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network before starting the recovery process. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. First of all, we're going to click here on Skip. We click Skip and now it will take us directly here to our network. Let's connect. Regarding a new network, we connect to the network. We also want to tell you that we have other completely different methods. We have left additional methods for those who read the video description and the first pinned comment and want to try other methods. We'll also provide a PC method and a no PC method. Previously, we could also access the system directly from the privacy policy. We could go to the last option, click on it, and go directly to Motorola.com support. We could access this profile directly from there. Then select and copy any text, giving us the option to access our device. But with these updates, these devices have been updated a lot. So we're going to use a completely different method. We'll click here where it says, Accept and Continue. This will take us directly to where our screen lock appears. Now that we're on our screen lock, we'll begin the recovery process. I always recommend that you pay attention to our video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can fix your device. We also want to let you know that YouTube has enabled the member community option. This member community allows you to subscribe. What would be the benefit of that member community? The benefit would be that you subscribe, and we will be publishing videos in advance. We will also be responding to comments directly from there, and we will also be publishing some courses. Here, we're going to click where it says, Do Not Copy, and from here, it will take us directly to where the screen lock appears. This is the same lock we had forgotten about. And what we did was reset our device. Now it asks for the Google account, the Gmail account. For those who have or know their Google account and password, you can add it directly from here. Enter the email, click Next, and then enter the password, and from there it will also give your device. But for those who don't know the password, it also gives you the option of recovering it by phone. With the phone number, you know that when we create a Google account, it asks for a phone number. When we add that number, that's the one we're going to use here. But it doesn't have to be entered in the same phone, since it would send us a code. And we're going to enter that code here. But if you don't have any of these options, then I recommend watching the video tutorial to the end because we're going to do this method. We're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail. We're going to go directly here where it says, Forget Gmail, and now it will scroll to the last options. From here, we're going to write any text. We write the same thing here. any text here too. And now what we're going to do is click here on Next. Next, we're going to click here on Next. Next for 30 seconds. This will help us enable a function that we're going to need now, and we're going to explain what you're going to do to be able to access your device so you can recover it. Well, in this video tutorial, what we're going to need is the following. We'll explain how to access our device. Well, we're going to use a PC keyboard. We're just going to use the Enter key and we're going to use an OTG adapter. An OTG adapter is for attaching our keyboard, which isn't working, here on the device, so we can insert it here. But besides that, we also need a SIM card locked with a PIN code. We'll need a SIM card locked with a PIN code to lock the device, as before. With our selected emergency call, when Google Maps was enabled, we could access it, but it's not working anymore. Now we can do it this way. We'll let it lock. We'll insert the connector here, as we said. We'll just press the Enter key. We'll go here, we'll press the Enter key. We'll go to Emergency Call. Here in Emergency Call, what we're going to do now is dial the emergency number according to our country. We're going to dial our emergency number according to our country. I'm going to click it, and when Google Maps appears, I'm going to press Enter. Enter, let's do it again. Wait for it to load. Now we click here. You can see here, we're not going to do it again. Let's do it. Let's wait for it to load. Here you can see it working, so you can see well that it doesn't look good. Here we're going to press Enter. Ready. Let's see if it has already let us enter Google Maps. We're going to remove the SIM card. We throw away the SIM card. We block it. We block it here. It has already let us enter. It has already let us enter. Well, now what we're going to do. We go here. We're going to remove all this. Ready, we're here now. We're going to click here on Skip. We click on Skip, being here. Now what we're going to do is click on this little ball. We're going to click here on Adjustment. While we're here in Settings, we're going to select the option that says Notifications. Enable these notifications. Give them all the permissions. Go back in, and those notifications are now activated. Now we're going to tap here where it says Location, tap OK. OK. Tap here where it says Accessibility Settings, enable this function. Then tap here where it says Google Location Settings. OK. Here we're going to select the option that says All. Then, Show System. Here we see Google Play Services. But what we're going to do now is look for accessibility. We're going to enable accessibility by clicking on this magnifying glass. If nothing appears, delete the letters one by one until it appears. Click on Accessibility. Enable this accessibility menu. And go back. Now we're going to type battery. We're going to type battery. We're going to select the option that says App Battery Usage. Now we're going to select the option that points here. We're going to look for Google Play Services here, find it. Click on it, and then click on Disable. We disable this option. Now we're going restart our phone. When our phone restarts completely, we'll finish the recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and can fix your device. Another thing I also want to mention is in the video description and in the first. From the pinned comment we have other completely different methods. Additional methods so that you too can access this device. Other methods so that you can. We'll do that too. Now, once we've fully recovered our device, our phone might have some errors. What are those errors? We'll explain how to fix them. When our phone, well, we're going to click here where it says, accept and continue. Now we'll wait a few seconds until it gives us an error. We'll wait here, wait. A few seconds here until it takes us to the following settings. In the description. As we mentioned, we also have methods for PCs and other methods without a PC. For those who want to apply these methods, you can do so directly from there. From the description, you can see other video tutorials. We'll wait a few more seconds until it takes us to the following settings. Now that we're here, where it says, we're going to click here where it says, do not copy. We'll click here. Now the device will be flashing here. This is where we want to do the process. We're going to gently click back. We're going to click back. We're going to leave it here. We're going to click on Wizard Wheel. We'll continue offline. We'll tap on the assistant again, and if this method works, then we'll do the following. We'll click here on Accessibility. We'll tap here on this magnifying glass. We'll type battery. We'll type battery. We'll delete it letter by letter so that the option appears. We'll tap on battery usage. We'll tap the option indicated here. We'll scroll down and find the Google Services app that we disabled. We'll enable it. We enable it. We go slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Here, we'll tap here where it says, continue offline. Comma. We go back. We tap here where it says, continue offline. We tap, accept, and continue. This will take us to Google Services. We'll tap, accept. We'll tap here on skip. We tap, skip. We wait. Now we tap where it says, not now, not now, not now. And, not now. We tap, next. We tap here on finish. While we're here, what we're going to do is go to Settings. Here we're going to reset our phone. Why are we going to reset it? Because our phone would freeze up completely. As you can see, it won't work properly. To make it work properly, you're going to reset your phone. When you reset it, it will be a completely new device, free of any errors. You're going to do it that way.